Thank you. This is a surprise for me. And, I was told only that I was going to share, to talk about Celergen, my experience with Celergen only this morning, or maybe last night, but I was drunk. Anyway, it's good you called it Celergen 100. Why not 150? Because I aim to live to 150.
Do you mind sharing how young are you now?
How young am I? I'm 25 years old. I never age. No, I'm 80 years old this year. You know, in Chinese, I was told you're not supposed to celebrate your 79. And so, starting this year, I will be 80. And I will be 80 forever. I'm a plastic surgeon, and I have been in practice for 45 years. And I don't count my patients, simply because I believe that whenever I get asked about the number of, let's say, eyelid surgeries that I had done, I always answer that I don't count my patients, because there's a biblical advice that you should not count the number of your subjects in your country. So that's beside the point. Then, in my practice of plastic surgery, I never advertised. It's only recently that you would see me in some websites that would advertise procedures and mention my name. But I never advertised during those 45 years. And all I did was to promote my practice by word of mouth. Only patients or happy patients would talk about me. And even unhappy patients would talk about me. But that's very seldom. So that means that most of or majority of my patients were very happy with the results of their surgery. And there was something missing in the practice of plastic surgery, because patients would always continue to age, and they would come back because they will see lines on their face. They will see that their eyelids are drooping, their eye bags are coming back, and so we had to operate on them. And come 2015, that was 10 years ago, I was introduced to a product or a supplement that I thought would be a waste of money because it's expensive. And I have to mention who introduced this product to me. And I don't see them anymore in our office, in our gatherings. I have to mention the name of Christine and Teacher Lee. I call her Teacher. And this is a funny story because I met Teacher Lee in China and introduced me to this product. And my wife, Tinette, who has been very, very active in promoting, she should be here because she's the one working very hard in promoting Celergen.
Yes, let's give a round of applause to our VP Tinette as well.
But then how do I promote Celergen? Oh, going back to the story.
How do you promote Celergen?
How do I promote Celergen? I tell my patients about the product that is very good for wound healing, because one of my patients experience taught me, actually it's a patient teaching me, that a product or a supplement could accelerate the healing of the wound of their surgeries. So it's like the recovery gets shorter. Even if practically all my patients don't get black and blue and they have surgeries on their face. And they realize that when they add this Celergen into their routine, their recovery gets faster. They can go back to their regular activity much earlier. So I found out that Celergen is the missing link, the last piece that will help aesthetic or cosmetic surgeries, cosmetic patients to look better. And what is our observation, Lynette's observation, myself as well? The patients don't come back anymore because Celergen keeps them younger. Celergen keeps them younger. Celergen does not give them more lines as they grow older. Celergen makes their skin smoother. And they realized that after they asked me at one point, saying, how come your skin is like that? At your age, your skin's still smooth. No, I already have lines. No, they're better than all the other plastic surgeons we have seen. Celergen is the secret.
Yeah, let's give Dr.
Celergen is the secret. And you know, promoting Celergen to patients is the key to the business, quote unquote, the business that happened in our life. Lynette's and my life had become better because of Celergen. Less stress, better looking skin, better relationship between the two of us and with other people. And I think Celergen is a gift from God. And thank you, Ms. Lee, for bringing us to this community of Celergen. And I hope very soon you're going to change the website to Celergen 150.
Wow, it means